Hey everyone, it's Nick with Us versus Herd. Thanks for joining us today. If this is your first time here, hit subscribe. This video is of value to you. Please hit that like button. Remember, it's always Us versus Herd, so join us. Today we're going to be looking at Webull, the free commission trading app. It pretty much competes with Robinhood. I'm going to kind of go through some stuff here, but they are, as like Robinhood, they are commission free. This is just going to be a first look. I'm not going to get really too deep into the trades. I'm going to start using the app a lot more and trying to focus on, what's good, what's bad. And this is kind of just an overlook and kind of who is this for. In my opinion, it's really for the beginner traders, really for people that are just getting used to trading. But it's also, I was pretty impressed by the platform already. Even though I haven't done any trades on it, pretty impressed by the app itself and what you can do with it. And like Robinhood, it is commission free. They have a lot of trading tools, which we'll go over. And like when Robinhood first started out, they are mobile only, so there is no platform. So the platforms are on iOS and Android. And currently in the App Store, it's actually #1 in finance. So it's not doing terrible. It's getting users. Some people are starting to use this, especially I know that a lot of you guys are watching this are probably using this or wanting to use it possibly. So, I just wanted to kind of go through this and show you kind of what I think about it and what is going on here. Based on this right here, as you can see, we'll get into the app in a second, but as you can see from the screenshot here, there's real-time data, they have news, there's virtual trading. So like for the first time ever, Robinhood doesn't have this, that on your phone you can like paper trade from. Yes, you can do like Thinkorswim, but this is a little bit different. This is paper trading from a free commission trading standpoint, and from there's not really a whole lot of apps. Like Robinhood doesn't let you do this. I think Thinkorswim does let you log into paper trading, but on their app. But there's not really too many apps that allow paper trading, and some of the things like that you set up scanners and stuff, which allow. I know a lot of people in our options trading group were asking about setting up scanners. Now this is only for stock trading. They don't have options. They don't have crypto. They don't have anything. Like these guys are bare bones, just stock trading, stock buying and selling stock. However, they do let you short stock on here, and I do think they they do let you short stock, but they have margin financing and stuff without subscription fees. However, they do charge you some fees for some other things. So we'll get to the app here. This is the home screen, and now you don't need an account. Like I don't even have an account with them yet to actually go through this and paper trade and use their platform. As you can see, where the market is open right now. I don't really have a whole lot here. There's Apple, Google, and the Dow in terms of that, but what I was impressed about is I like how they have the United States, Canada, and you can kind of go through this and it will show you, different watch lists for the U.S. and Canada. I don't actually know where these guys are based out of. So if I'm looking down a little bit, I'm on my phone. So this is actually, I'm displaying this on my phone. The one thing that's pretty cool, that shows you the different markets. So this is the U.S., UK, Germany, and then the indices. And if you go back to the United States here, as you can see, we got the Dow, we got the S&P, we got the NASDAQ. But what's pretty cool is it shows you the top ETFs right here, hot sectors. So there's a lot of it. Compared to Robinhood, you can see this is more data oriented, that they're concentrating on the data. They want to give you more data. Robinhood is more kind of they wanted to make it simple, and where I think they just made it way too simple in terms of an app. And as you can see here, these will show star stocks. I don't know what that means in terms of how they pick that. I think these are just actively traded, not necessarily big movers on the day. As you can see, these are not really. They do have market gainers here. So for those that trade penny stocks, I don't trade that. I mostly trade options. You can kind of see what's going on here. And then they also have market losers. So this is definitely a lot of data for the average trader, for the beginner trader. But I think that it does give you ways to make some, see some opportunities. Now, I would say, like, like this net list. I mean, I don't trade penny stocks. I think penny stocks are garbage. I don't think there's a I don't think you can make great money doing penny stocks. That's up to you. You can trade what you want, but also if you see 95% gainers here, people might start thinking like, hey, I should get on this, and then they lose money. So there's always the pros and the cons. They give you the data. It's up to you to decide what to do with it. It just keeps going. We got Forex in here. I don't know if they let you trade Forex in here, but. Under streams, it's pretty nice. They have news, so you can get all the latest news right here. As you can see, stuff that's going on, stuff that's happening now. So as you know, there's things going on today with Tesla and tariffs and all that. So that's kind of nice. So far, like getting into the app, it has a very nice flow in terms of getting information. Like I don't have to leave and go to the CNBC app. I don't have to leave and go to the Yahoo Finance app. I don't have to do that. So, unlike, Robinhood does have news and stuff, but it's not really like this if you use Robinhood at all. Now, for the most interesting part that I found of the app is the Explorer tab down here. And as you can see here, I mean, they have screeners, they have calendar, they have IPOs, paper trading, all these things. And it just gives you data. And I really like, they don't have a screener on most apps. Like you can't put a screener on Thinkorswim. Yes, you can set alerts and get that kind of thing, but on Robinhood there's no screener. Here you can set up screeners for a variety of different things: market cap, price. If we go into let's say we go into price here, you can screen for stocks that are less than $1, stocks that are more than 100. You can kind of figure that out the way that you want to, and then you can set up your screeners that way. You can look at stocks that have dividends, and I'm not going to spend too much time on here, but you kind of get the idea of, they also have technical indicators, which is pretty cool. And it kind of looks like this is a screener for high market value stocks. As you can see, Apple's probably Apple's at the top, 1.8 billion. We can do separate by market cap. Oops. 1 trillion. I don't know. Doesn't seem like that's working. It looks like it's alphabetical order. Okay, there we go. So showing you the assets here in terms of trillions. So yeah, this does work here. Apple. But let's go into Apple actually, and just want to show you, the kind of layout here. It's pretty nice. We're getting live data here. For national level 1, they do charge you down there, as you can see. If you kind of scroll to the bottom, you kind of go through this. They do charge you for this, $10 a month or $5 a month if you actually are trading in the platform. So it seems like this is geared towards people that want to trade, but also geared to people that just want to do research. So I think they're trying to hit a niche here where they're trying to hit people that give them a mobile platform to screen and research stocks and make the best decisions, not necessarily trade on. So that's kind of interesting. And as you can see here, it has the line graph. But what I like about this, unlike Robinhood, I know that Robinhood, I think, has a candle feature coming out. Some users in our options trading group were reporting this. But if you go into here, you can see what kind of all these different kind of bar charts, candles. How it depends on what you want to do. So like if you want candles, you can easily change it. We can zoom in here and do candles instead. That's kind of nice. And as you can see here, they have different studies here. You got the moving average, Bollinger Bands. You can put volume down here. This is the MAC. We can do moving average here. So you can see that's pretty nice. You can easily change it to 6 months. They have earnings here. They got the dividends here. So there's a lot of information here. I feel like there's a lot of information that you can make an informed decision on the stock, and you can actually get this on the fly. I typically use Thinkorswim to do all my research on the fly just because the charts are nice. But this seems to be very good and very easy to use in getting these studies in here locked and loaded. Thinkorswim platform is a little bit cumbersome, and you have to dive through quite a few screens to kind of do the same process. But the charting definitely is way better. It's way more advanced. And then there's just information. It's pretty cool. They have short interest in here, and the dividend dates and all that. So you can kind of go through this on your own time. I won't go through all that, but they have the financials in here. So this app already is more, I would say, for the technical trader, not necessarily for the casual trader that says, hey, I want to buy Apple. I don't really care what price it is. I don't want to do that. This is more for people that want to make well-informed decisions about the companies, and they want to research what the company is. So I definitely can see how you could, go through this, look at their cash flow. This is pretty in depth for a free commission trading app. Yeah, they do make you pay for some stuff. They're going to make you pay for margin. They're going to make you pay for a month for level 1, that kind of thing. But they do offer free commissions. Like I said, the only thing is this is only trading stocks, so they don't have a lot of products right now. And Robinhood just launched options not that long ago, and they launched crypto, which not to everybody. We don't really care about that. It looks like it's pretty easy to set alerts here on this, and you can customize, you can create recurring alerts, so that's pretty cool. You can make notes about the stock. So I think this is just very, for the mobile trader, for the technical trader, I think this is a, very good option. Definitely impressed. They have the earnings surprises on here, so this is kind of cool. Things that exceeded expectations, stocks that exceeded the move, and these were stocks, and I didn't even realize Abercrombie's trading at $20. I thought it was like $10 or $5. I thought it was like a penny stock. But anyways, as you can see here, a lot of information. These are the ones that failed to meet expectations. And the reason why this is important is because, win or lose, big movers, it creates opportunities for you to accumulate. Do you want to accumulate on a down move? Do you want to wait for pullback? You want to, it's really up to you how you want to trade it. Earning IPOs, it will tell you the upcoming IPOs here, which is kind of cool. I don't really get too involved in different IPOs, especially like pharmaceuticals and stuff like that. But you can kind of scan these things, and they're giving you the information to do what you want to do with this. You can see what the calendar is in here. You can see, the calendar is pretty nice because you can see what's ex-dividend. Today's ex-dividend. What's going on here, what stocks are having dividends today, which definitely helps if you're trading options on. So, you could always, if you're not going to trade on this, you can always just use this to research. If you're on the go, you can just open this. Actually, you don't even have to sign up to view this stuff. They just wanted you to use the app, so that's pretty cool. You can see what's going on. Well, tomorrow's Saturday, so next week. See here. You can see kind of what's going on here, so that's pretty cool. What was the other one? Paper trading. I think this one. So they give you $1 million in paper, and then they have this school option here, which is, I don't know, it's kind of lame, but just gives you the basic rules of the stock market. I think they're trying to grow that out. I don't really like. It looks kind of cheesy. They use this super fake stock imagery here, so that looks. I mean, you could buy these for $1. So they didn't really put a lot of time into the look and feel of this. I feel this is, you see these things on free and Google Images. It's just ridiculous that they even have these. Anyways, so you can paper trade. This is your paper trading account, and you can trade just regular stocks. We'll go back to Apple. And in here you can buy some shares now. You can put your limit price in here, what kind of order. You can buy it, you can sell it. You can put in how many orders right now, and has the full amount. So if I wanted to buy $1 million worth of Apple stock, it'd be 4,000 shares. If I want to do a quarter, or if I only say, okay, I only want to buy 100 shares, and we'll say we'll submit the order. So I don't actually think it says open order. I don't actually think it got filled, but you get the idea. I'm just going to cancel this. Actually, looks like it did get filled here. So I don't really orders completed. Okay, so I guess it did get executed here. I'm in kind of an airplane mode. I got notifications turned off, so I don't know if you get notifications. But you can see I bought 100 shares. Now my market value is here. Here's my overall P&L. So that's kind of cool. Definitely, I think that's very good for new traders. Get a feel for buying and selling, submitting orders, because buying and selling stocks one thing, but also getting comfortable using a platform and understanding what happens when you buy and sell an order. A lot of beginner traders, I think they get confused about they get a little nervous. Like when you first open Thinkorswim platform or E-Trade or anything, like, man, what the heck is this? How do I even buy stock? I don't even know how to buy one share, and it's just all these numbers and everything, like crazy. So this makes it nice and easy, pretty cool. The paper trade, and you can keep track of your trades that way. And then they have the extended hours here. So this is kind of cool because it shows you the pre-market gainers what were this morning. So it's a nice little scanner here for what the pre-market gainers were. I mean, yes, a lot of these were penny stocks. They do have, Five Below. Five Below actually had earnings today, so that's kind of nice. Shows you up on the screen here. So definitely something that you want to take advantage of in this. So overall, I'm not going to make this too long of a video. This is just a first look. Once I start trading out, once I buy some stock on here, I'll do a full review of this. This was just a first look, kind of get you some opinions. If you want to sign up, use the link below. I have a link below in the description. Also, if you want to be a part of our options trading group, hit the link below as well. Hope you guys have a great day.